Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to go through some data here I'm showing on my tune. So I was doing some tweaks. You should be able to see this still. I was doing some tuning and I noticed that my mass airflow sensor, my map value, a little bit lower. Now, if you're not aware, your MAF numbers will be falsely reported and therefore your horsepower calculations will be off and all of that sort of stuff if your feeling isn't correct. So here I'm sneaking up on it. You can see I've got a little bit of noise on the wideband signal, but this is the target and this is over. So overall it's below. Overall it's off. This is as close as I could find where it's very accurate. But this is the before. Notice the map KPA is 93, MAF is 10.6. These are the highest returns. If we were to go to averages, 10.5, 10.6, right in that range at 6,200, right? And I made a simple mod, which we'll get to in a minute, but this is the after. Notice in the tune, I'm getting closer. It's still a little bit, and I'm pretty far zoomed in here. But let's just go ahead and make this averages. 10.6, 10.7 versus 10.6. We've picked up a little bit of hertz, even though we're about the same error rate. More flow, better cylinder air mass. In fact, I've got it all outlined here. So you can see before and after. We've picked up roughly 2%, 1.7 on the flow. Even after you factor in the error rates, 1.6, cylinder air mass, map value is up 2 kPa. And this carries through, right, is as we're going, it's making more and more. So what did I do to my stock airbox? Let's show you here the quick mod I did for $30. Alright, we're going to try to open up some airflow with the stock airbox system. We got a bell mouth, we're going to see if we can get it to fit in here. Change out to a different filter so we can get a couple more kPa at full throttle on the Caprice. Alright, so we swapped to a Wix filter. I'm going to try to remove this and clean up some of the ribbing to get more airflow. And I'm going to see if I can get this bell mouth to fit in there, but probably won't. I did indeed get the bell mouth to fit. Let's show you a little bit of the process. Essentially, it's a lot of cutting and filing to make it fit, but the results are worth it. Alright. The bell mouth sits right in there. Stand your slave. Again, here's some shots of the final product of the upper lid. Pretty simple. I ended up not using that extension piece, so you'll just need the bell mouth and you'll need to cut it to fit and trim the box just a little bit. We also need to modify the lower air box. You can see here the factory intake is pretty good, but we're going to drill a couple of holes right here to help get some additional airflow in. Alright, a couple of 2-inch holes and a 2.5. So there you have it, back together, still using the stock intake on this heads cam Caprice. 1 pound of airflow or a couple kPa of atmospheric pressure. You're typically looking roughly 10 horsepower. Not a bad gain for $30. Hopefully you found this informative. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.